Hello, I'm your host, Mace Beardsley, here with...
And I'm Dania.
Scots. Today is Club Rush Day. Come join us down at the gym and 15 portables to see what clubs we have at Highland and get more information about them. This is great time to get involved.
Are you still hungry? Remember, we serve breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. For your early birds, breakfast is served from 8:25 a.m. to 8:55 a.m. Dinner after school from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And if you need another boost, snacks are from 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m., all free with your UID.
Bills, bills, bills. Do you have debt at school? A textbook from last year you didn't turn in? A uniform you still have in your closet? Overdue library fees? Please be sure to check in the finance office if you have debt. Formal season is coming soon. Now we're going to special reports with Matthew, Isabel, and Sarai.
Hi, my name is Matthew Nanas, and I'm here with
Miss Navi Bowler. Hello, my name is Isabel, and today I am here with...
Hi, everyone. My name is Anna Pedroza.
Hi, my name is Sarai Sanchez, and I'm with
Miss Alberto.
If someone ever just needs help or something like that, they can just come here, or do they need to do anything, or...
Yes, great question. So there are a couple of things a student can do in order to receive help with student behavior and supports. Luckily, I am in this beautiful room with my interventionist, Jasmine Alberto, and students come. They come here to 3G, or if they want to see Mrs. Navi, who is our school social worker, they can stop at her office next to Mrs. Vikstrom's office, who is our principal here on campus. And so they can simply do a walk-in, or we also have our Highland High website in which it has a link you can click, put in your information, and we get the notification that you are seeking for assistance or for help services. Or another way is simply asking another staff on campus, and they can redirect you to us.
Why is it important for students to have access to a social worker?
The reason why having access to a social worker is important is because mental health is very important, especially on school campus. If they didn't have access to support services, students just sort of go on with their day, kind of battling whatever it is that they're battling without having the ability to talk to somebody. So having a school social worker gives you the ability to talk to somebody, ask for help. I even help with linking students, so sometimes it's not just, here on campus, it's what else do you need help with outside of, Highland High School.
Do you help students outside of work?
Usually I try my best to designate it within the school hours. Like everybody else, we all have other responsibilities, so I try to inform students that if they need that support, to access other resources, or to let me know first thing in the morning if they need that support. So if it is something that a student needs after hours, I'll give them the different tools or strategies so they are able to manage it on their own or with the support of somebody else. Say for example, somebody they have at home or a friend. Yeah.
And now for our final break of the show.
Hey Scots, I'm here to talk about the homecoming dance happening this Saturday. Get ready for Highland's first ever homecoming dance. It will be held Saturday, October 1st from 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. in the Highland Gym. Only Highland students can attend, and remember, only soft-soled shoes, no heels allowed. You can purchase tickets at the finance office for $10 with an ASB sticker, $15 without, and $20 at the door. Hope to see you there.
And that's it for our show. We'll see you next time.
Goodbye. Have a beautiful time.